Assalamu everybody. This is Washim, and welcome to our family blog. This weekend is a very special weekend. We took a trip up to Boston to see my mom and dad and siblings, and it's a special occasion. It's one of the two religious holidays that we have in the Muslim faith. This one is the second biggest. It's called Al-Adha, which is sacrifice Eid. It's also similar to the other faiths where they celebrated, Ibrahim sacrificing his sons, and then God, instead of in place of his son, put like a lamb there. So in most faiths, you'll see some sort of sacrifice of an animal, whether it's a cow, lamb, or goat or sheep or anything like that, as a way to commemorate that occasion of Ibrahim's obedience to God. And we flew with Spirit Airlines, and as you can see, my wife is having fun with the camera, and that's our son, Boris, right there. And yeah, so it was a 2 hours and 15-minute flight to Boston. We flew with Spirit is because it was the cheapest, and it was an impromptu trip up there for the holidays, but also my mother wasn't feeling well, so we just wanted to go and spend some time with her and have some time with her grandson and her daughter-in-law. So Waru was, mashallah, was really good on the plane. He didn't bicker, complain, or anything like that, so he was very good at flying. And as you can see, the day after was Eid, so this is August 11th this year. Every year it changes, so that's one of the good things about the Islamic calendar. You never know what day it falls on, whether it's Eid al-Fitr or Eid al-Adha. It changes every year. Maybe it changes between 2 weeks every year. It moves up by. This was the ISB, Islamic Society of Boston, where we had a Eid prayer. It was a good turnout. With some really good sweets at the end of it. And we're just waiting for the rest of us to record. After the Eid prayer and everything, we went home to relax, and then in that afternoon we went to be with my best friend Zoham, and she was doing a fundraiser for Water Within Reach, which is basically a campaign to get a water well built in her father's village in Morocco. And you can hear her talking about her mission and goals. Please support her. I'll be posting my link at the bottom of the caption to donations like that. To support her cause. But we're halfway there. So yeah.
He'll make sure you have tea. He really wants you to let him know when you want tea, not just service. He's a tea guy. And if you see the artwork there, and traditionally in weddings and events, there is a tea guy. So you'll see that artwork over there. There's a guy pouring tea, wearing whatever my dad is wearing. I try to find things that are those things that whatever you're looking at. So that's what you're looking at that world.
She had a very creative, very fundraising program there. So she would sell items.
Now do the next one.
Whatever you paid for the item.
Explain what you're doing, Baba. Go ahead.
To the fund to get the welfare. So and this is
go ahead.
The team in Morocco traditionally pour tea. And as you can see, our dad, Baba, is going through how you do it. And here we are again with Baba. He's teaching me the item that I bought, and I'll be donating the proceeds to her Water Within Reach. And Baba showed me how to play the drums. And then they're giving us a little taste of, how the traditional dances are in Morocco. What you're listening to is a very faint Moroccan old classical songs. And this is like a family affair, as you can see. It's a family, mom, aunt, cousins, her dad. So it's really great to see, family behind the cause and donate. So please, if you can't even $5, $1, please donate the time heart. So, this is me with my bad cameraman skills, trying to film it. Had a little mix up. So that was the Eid holiday, and then the day after we decided to go to the beach since Mo has never been to the beach in America. We went to Revere Beach, which is the first public beach in America. It's in Revere, Massachusetts. Yeah, this is like what you see when you go over there. It's me, my cousins from my mom's side and my dad's side. It's all of us together. And yeah, we're just having a good time taking Waru and showing them around the beach and going sightseeing ourselves and everything. So it was a fun day overall. We got there around maybe like 4 or 5 o'clock, maybe 6 or 7. But yeah, it was really nice. The sunset was beautiful. I don't think we recorded the sunset.
Video ko kasi.
And it's maybe pretending to take a picture and it's supposed to record a video. And this is all of us on the beach talking and everything. As you can see, it's very beautiful. The plane's flying over because the Boston Logan Airport is very nearby. So you always see flights going in and out. Another fun thing about this beach is this beach has a lot of sand competitions. And there's my son. Has a lot of sand competitions, and yeah, you can see that they designate an area, and then the sand builders actually designed these by hand at site, and tourists come over and take pictures with them, try to take videos. My wife is recording the video right now, and yeah. That was a majority of our Monday afternoon. We spent with all of us cousins going out and having fun, quality family time. And then this is me by my lonesome back in Atlanta, going to another youth festival. This is in Henry County Islamic Center. The food is amazing, as you can tell from the video. It's almost all gone. And there's a backyard with a playhouse and everything for all the children to play, a basketball court for everybody else to play. I met a lot of brothers and sisters over there, so it was really fun. I went with one of my best friends, Sidi Hassan. And then the day after, this is a volunteer event, Helping Hands. The kids are having a tug of war tournament to see who win. And as you can see, there's a lot of fun day full of fun-packed events for children and grown-ups as well. So as you can see, the left side one, and there's some beautiful barbecue for that day. Tandoori chicken being one of them, burgers, hot dogs. Overall, it was a really great day. Had a lot of good food, and definitely miss my family. Sorry they couldn't be there, but they'll be at the next one. This is us playing Jenga. That was pretty much that day, and that's how we ended everything.